back again, once again. Supreme quick review. I think this was, I can't even remember what week it was. I gotta go back and look, man. Dang. I think it's week 7, week 8. Either way, from the thumbnail, from the title, you already know what this is, you know what I'm saying? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I got, you know what I'm saying? At Clean Images, you know what I'm saying? I'll be posting pictures sometimes, so you know what I'm saying? Check that out. But we just about to get right into it, you feel me? Let's see what we got. Obviously. Let's see. Ooh, we got some good stickers in here today, my boy. Alright, BOGO, obviously. The art dealer, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. The snowman, you know what I'm saying? This shit fire. And then we got this, which is cool because you got the t-shirt as well. The All Dogs Go to Heaven. So say fall winter 25, and they don't say the week on it after that. But yeah, this tee is super sick. As soon as I seen it from the lookbook, I was like, man, I gotta get this jump, bro. The Supreme, it says Supreme on the dollar bills too. Just super clean, and then on the back, All Dogs. That's a fact. Alright, with the good stickers. Shout out to Supreme finally. Second one. This, the piece de resistance. Now, I have 3 cameras. Cause Supreme dropped the camera. I'm pretty sure it's the first one. I've never seen another Supreme camera, but we got another art dealer sticker, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Supreme. Another All Dog Go to Heaven sticker. Shout out to Supreme. I can put this on my laptop or something. I got 2, you feel me? Obviously, you got that. Then we got this little baby right here, the mini digital camera. So, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, like I just said, I'll be posting pictures sometimes. I'm a, you know what I'm saying? I'm a photographer and all of that. I got 2 cameras, 2 Nikons. Now I got a Supreme camera, you feel me? It's a keychain though. That's what's crazy about it. But it's digital, you know what I'm saying? It come with a USB. Come with a little lanyard. And a little clip. But this is the camera right here, bro. This is fucking crazy. I can't see if it's focusing or not, but I mean, I'm sure you can see that though. Let's see. Yo, this is crazy, bruh. This is really insane, bruh. No cap. Like this is a camera. Like, what the heck? The pictures that I post, I'm gonna post the pictures that I take. Yo, this y'all got a flash. This is insane, bruh. Came with a little box. Instruction booklet in here too. The Supreme product, you know what I'm saying? This is crazy. But no, this is insane, bro. I can't wait to see what the pictures look like for real. Alright, But yeah, man, I mean, that's the video, you feel me? Got the camera, come with the USB, come with a little memory card too. Yeah, I'm about to, when you turn it off, you know what I'm saying, got the logo right there, and I'm about to charge it up, and then, yeah, man, but blessings, peace. Did you get anything this week? What did you cop? Did you cop something from last week? I know they had the number 9, the Mickey Mouse from last week, you feel me? Yeah, bless. Peace, man. Peace, bless.